Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make some free Tron coins. So kindly subscribe to this channel and also like this video, share and subscribe. So without wasting much time, I'll be teaching you how you can make some Tron coin. And let me open my Tron Link wallet, and you can see from here that I'm having 41.3 TRX over here. So I'll be showing you how I made all this coin. And subscribe to this channel. I will be happy when you subscribe to this channel. So let me show you the proof of the Trons that I've been receiving. I just made a deposit of 10 TRX and now I'm having 41 TRX. So subscribe to this channel, watch this video till the end, and you will see how you can make some free Tron today. So you can see from here that I just made a deposit of 6.5 TRX here, and I deposit 4 TRX, making it 10 TRX. You can see from there that I have made a deposit of here you will see it. So I deposit, you can see from here that payment received 6.55 TRX and 4 TRX. I deposited 10 TRX to this platform, and now I'm having 41 TRX. So this is not a magic, this is not any trick, it's a game that you are going to play to earn this Tron. So you can see from here that this is my this is my proofs. So I used 5 TRX to win 19 TRX, and I used another 5 TRX to win 12 TRX, and I used another 5 TRX to win 15.2 TRX. So watch this video till the end, and I'll be showing you how you can make free Tron online. So open your Tron Link wallet. Open your Tron Link wallet. So if you don't have a Tron Link, I will leave the link in the description. Download Tron Link using the link in the description and create a wallet. So after you have created the wallet, open your wallet and click on this discover. So after you have clicked on the discover, click on the link in the description. That website there, that's the website link. Click on the link in the description. Click on the link in the description. When you click on the link in the description, you will land on Google Chrome or any of your browser that you are using. So this is let me show you how you can do it. So this is the game that you are going to play. So when you click on the link in the description, you land on your browser. You land in your browser, whether Google Chrome browser or any browser that you are using. So when you land on your browser, copy the link. Copy the when you land on this platform, kindly create an account. You have to click the sign up button and create an account. You have to create an account over here. You have to use my invitation code. I'll be leaving the invitation code in my video description. Use the invitation code. So after you have created the account, copy this website link. Copy the website link and go back to your Tron Link. So when you open Tron Link, you have to click on this discover right here, and you have to paste the link that you copied. So you have to paste the link that you copied from your you copied from your browser. So after you have pasted that link, you have to click on this arrow here, then you redirected to the website. So this is the front page of the website. And I've been earning some Tron this afternoon, and I decided to make this video so that you can make same. So when you when you launch on this website, you have to log in with the you have to log in with the details that you used to create the account. So you can see from here that I've logged into my wallet and there is the game. So when you log in, you have to click on hash guess. You have to click on hash guess. Yeah, you have to click on this hash guess. Then you select a random number. So you are going to select any number or any letter from here. So when you click on the confirm, and the number that you selected was the true number, you will win a free TRX. So the higher you select the number, the lower your earning. So I will advise you to use this random button. Then this will automatically select a numbers for you, and your earning odds is 3.8. So after you have clicked on the random and you don't like these numbers, you can also click on the random again to reselect another numbers. So like this, and you like these numbers, you click on the confirm button. You click on OK. So then you select the amount of TRX that you use to play this game. So I'm using 5 TRX. Then you click on play now. So you enter your Tron Link wallet to approve this transaction. Then I'm entering my password. Then I click on done. So when you click on done, you have to wait for this to so you can see from here that I've earned 7.6 Tron. Then you click on the verify. So when you click on the verify, it will be redirected you to the Tron Scan website to approve your transaction. So you wait for some minutes for this unconfirmed button to change to confirmed. So when it changed to confirmed, it means that you have received your TRX in your wallet. So this is very simple. Use my link or my invitation code to create an account. Open your Tron Link app and paste the link and earn some free TRX. So you can see from here that it is confirmed, and let me check my TRX wallet. You can see from here that I've got some payment to receive 7.6 Tron. Yeah, that's the TRX that I won from the game. So you can see from here that in this short video I've earned 7.6 TRX. So this is my TRX, and you can play anytime you want. You can play as much as you want. So kindly subscribe to this channel and also turn on the notification bell